But what are these again?
I want to be closer to
Who starts it off?
I do.
Okay, give me 1 second. Go ahead and start.
Do you see it? Can you smell it? I don't think I smell anything.
Sure you can. Use your imagination. It's Christmas. And you can see it, hear it, and smell it all around you.
I think it smells like cinnamony and sugary and piney. And it looks like lights and gifts and nativity sets.
And the sounds, well, that's just about the best part. Lots of laughter and plenty of thank yous fill up the air. But the songs of Christmas, well, that just helps us remember why we're celebrating. Some of the songs of Christmas have been heard for over 100 years, and every time we sing them, we fill the air with good news of the birth of Jesus.